I'm putting men in positions that's already made up in my mind. And I think that's our problem as women. Here it is, this man, he's really not that dude. But you have this image of what you want. You want a stand-up guy. You want a guy to come around. You want him to be consistent. You want him to be authentic. You want him to really be into you. So now, once he really comes around, you already got this idea in your mind of what this should be, but you're kind of in a delusion because this man is not that. But because most of the time, you're in a position where your eyes is closed, be it when he's in your face, you know, be it in the bedroom, you know, be it kissing and smooching and stuff like that. When you're in a position where your eyes are closed, you can put yourself in a fantasy of anything. And I think that's what it is. It's like, I'm giving him so much grace when this nigga don't really deserve that grace. This man really ain't about that life. He really doesn't deserve to be in my energy. And at this point, I'm giving him energy. Every 4 months, you keep hitting me up because we, you know, as humans, we really do transfer energies. There really is a thing. But I think I have come up with a theory is that we get to the point where we can suck up your energy, but we run out of it at the same time. And I think he runs out of my energy every 3 or 4 months and he has to come back. It's a lot of men like that. Every 3 or 4 months, he has to come back. I got a guy that pop up every year. Pop up every time I'm in a relationship. Pop up every time I say I'm over a man. Every time I'm having a man fast. Yeah. And they run out of that energy. Some people run out of it sooner or later. But yeah, I believe that this man literally runs out of my energy every 3 or 4 months. And he has to come back and get it. By any means necessary. And although I never talked about it on the channel, I've had men that still cannot reach me, and they will try to do it in another form of fashion. Be it family, be it friends, popping up at houses I don't even live at, popping up at places I don't even be at. Yeah. Men love my energy.